It is finally time to plant this guy. He has roots. First, I need to make dirt. Alright, we'll come back to this in a few minutes. So this is soaked up quite a bit. Oh yeah, I should definitely have enough dirt to plant something. Wow, I thought that wasn't, I thought that was going to be too much water. Huh? This is a lot of dirt. Okay. Okay, so as far as I know, succulents don't like to have like a lot of water around their roots all the time, so I'm gonna be mixing some shit together. Sand, because it really doesn't hold on to a lot of moisture. Let's not like mess all of this up, and then soil, mix it up nicely. Because that has nice substance, but doesn't, shouldn't hold on to too much of it. Plus gives it a really nice dark look, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to definitely vacuum after this. Throw that in there. And we are going to grab some of this. Oh no, wait. Is that? Yeah, that's, that doesn't have anybody in it. Okay. This is mealworm frass. Hoops. Fertilizer. What do I have? This'll do. Grab some of that. Throw that down in the hole. I'm not looking at what my phone is doing, so I'm sorry that this video is so shitty, but that's what we have to deal with. Alright, now time to go grab the plant. Come with me, motherfucker. Alright, so you get to go there, and I can't record me pushing the soil in or anything because I need that with both hands, and yeah. Alright, I added more substrate and packed it down a little bit, and the plant feels pretty stable. I'm fairly comfortable with that. So that is the planting of the cutting of the thing from Chi. And then we'll just shove it back in this window and keep an eye on it and see how it goes.